Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to turn off autofill or disable autofill in Google Chrome. So for this you have to turn on the Google Chrome browser, then you have to click on the three dot, then you have to go to the settings. Here in the below, I can see here in the below there is the settings option, and after in the setting option you have to choose the autofill and passwords option from the left. Then there are three options, that is Google Password Manager, payment methods, and addresses and more. So for example, I would like to go to the Google Password Manager. Here you can easily select the website that you are looking to turn off the autofill. So for example, I would turn off the autofill option from app.netlify.com. So here you can easily delete one of the autofill password and it will simply disable the password to autofill. Now let's get back to the page. Again, let's get back to the settings page again, and here you have the option of payment methods, and if you click on here you have to simply turn off the save and field payment methods. Here you can simply turn it off and it will disable the autofill option. Then get back to the again to that page, and here you can simply click on the addresses and more. Here you can also turn off the save and fill addresses, and if you turn it off it will automatically disable the autofill option in Google Chrome. Thank you very much for watching this video.